Leah from Sabco here, and today we're going to talk about the new Sabco Rinse and Wring Microfiber Flat Mop Set, the revolution in mopping that combines a microfiber flat mop with a unique wringing bucket for hygienic clean. Now let's take a look in the box.
Helpful instructions on how to use the mop and bucket. The mop head with soft microfiber pad. Now how to open the bucket. Simply remove the handle by moving it in line with the top of the bucket, then squeeze the bucket until the lid comes off. Inside you'll find a 4-piece handle and a bonus microfiber pad, handy for when the other one's in the wash. It's simple to assemble and prepare. Click the mop head into the handle by aligning the small hole with the silver ball on the side of the mop head. Then screw the 3 handle sections together. Fill water level to groove line on the side of the bucket. Lock the mop head into place. Rinse the mop in the wash chamber. Push up and down to wring out in the dry chamber until you reach your desired dampness. Tip: keep the mop handle straight while rinsing and wringing. And now you're ready to mop. Just another way Sabco helps you keep it clean.